Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning. I have been thinking and I want to share one very, very, very important thing in life. If you can adopt a thought process, you will see tremendous change in your life. Mostly, any person thinks in one direction. What is that? I want that person to help. He has to help me, or he has to give me this thing. I have not got good increment from the company. My husband doesn't love me, or my parents, they don't love me. So like this, we always want. How much you want? How long you want? How long you want to receive? I'm telling you, adopt a new process in your life from today. What is that? What is that? You can do the best for your children. What is that best you can do for your life partner? What is that best you can do for your parents? What is the best thing you can do for your parents? Think, how can I contribute more to my organization? How can I contribute? Trust me, you focus on things. How can I contribute to my family members? How can I contribute more to the organization where I am working? And what can I contribute for myself to grow personally, mentally, spiritually? No more expectations from anybody from today. You do more and more for others. See the difference. The people around you start loving you. Organization will recognize your efforts. The whole society will recognize you. Come on, wake up. Shift. You need to shift. Little, change the direction to the mind. What can I do? More and more. Come on, wake up. Transformation today. Today itself is enough to see a new personality within. Somebody helps you, doesn't help you, doesn't make any difference. You help that person. You contribute. Contribute. You can become the divine. Like my guru, Sri Sri. Oh my God. He has a fever, he walks. He has a fever, he doesn't take rest. He doesn't get food sometimes, but he's on the stage. He's in the classroom. 20 to 20 hours work. He says, what can I do? I have lot of things to do for the society. I want to. That is why he has become divine. 190 country people wait for him. And that is why he is so happy soul. Look at his face. Look at the joy on his face. You, me, we can also become like that. Let us contribute more and more and leave this planet Earth. Let us put a big stamp and leave. Om Namah Shivaya. Today I spoke too much time, but you listen this multiple times. This can transform your life. Guaranteed. Om Namah Shivaya. Har Har Mahadev Shambho Shankara. Bhola Shankar Bhagavan.